I just used one AI app to build 3 online income streams while I was drinking my morning coffee. And honestly, I'm kind of mad nobody told me about this sooner. By now, you've probably heard that the only way to build consistent online income that gives you real time freedom is to create multiple streams of income. But the problem is, no one actually shows you a simple way to do this, especially if you've never even built one online business before. But if you've been following me for a while, you know here on my channel, I'm always looking for simple online business ideas that anyone can try. And I'm all about eliminating the tech bro energy and complicated strategies. So in this video, I'm sharing a new AI tool that I found that can help create an ecosystem of 3 online income streams that all work together, all in one simple AI-built website. So if you're ready to learn how to create an online business that you can start as a complete beginner and set up in less than a day using AI, this idea is for you. But before I jump into step number 1, let me explain the 3 steps I'm going to walk you through in this tutorial. First, I'm going to show you how to build an online website using AI that will be the foundation for your 3 new online income streams. Second, I'm going to build out each of the 3 income streams with you, one by one, so you can see exactly how to put it all together in the time it takes you to drink your morning coffee or afternoon matcha latte. And third, I'm going to show you my new favorite free marketing strategy that you can use to drive traffic to your new ecosystem website so that people can actually find your products and, more importantly, buy them. And you might be surprised to hear my free marketing strategy does not include Instagram or TikTok or social media at all, actually. I'll explain more on that later. And when you put all 3 of these steps together, you'll have everything you need to start your first online business using just one AI tool and your spare time. And to make all of this even simpler for you, I also created a free checklist that you can download from the description that covers every step I just listed, as well as the AI tool and prompts I'm going to show you in this tutorial. So make sure you download a copy of the checklist to follow along with me, and also save this video just in case you need to come back to it. So the first step, like I just mentioned, is to build the website that will be the hub for your online income streams. And also, like I mentioned, we're going to use AI to do it because it's way faster than having to build a website manually yourself. And to be honest, I have no idea how to code, so I couldn't build a website myself, even if I wanted to. But the AI tool I want to share with you in this video is called Hostinger, which you can see on my screen right here. There's a link down below that you can click on, or you can get there through my video checklist. But Hostinger is an AI-powered platform that builds complete websites and web apps just by chatting or typing with its AI. You just have to describe what you want, and Hostinger AI creates it in minutes with 0 coding skills needed. So to use Hostinger, first you need to create an account. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, you'll need to choose the business website builder plan because it includes everything you need to do what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. And here you can see Hostinger isn't just a website builder. It also includes your hosting, a free domain, e-commerce options, so you can actually sell things online, which is the whole point of this video, a business email, and access to all of the other AI tools that help you build a successful online business. And all of this costs less than what I pay for one coffee at Starbucks, which is actually pretty crazy. And because Hostinger is sponsoring this video, they also gave us a discount code just for my subscribers, where you can get an extra 10% off. You can see my discount code right here, or you can get it below the video or in my video checklist. Once you create your account, you'll be taken to your Hostinger dashboard, where the first thing we're going to do is build our website. It will only take a few minutes to do using Hostinger's AI website builder. Then I'll show you how to monetize it in the next step. To create your website using the AI website builder, click on Websites in the left menu. Click the Add Website button, and then select the AI website builder option. That will bring you to this screen where all you need to do to create your website is to chat with Hostinger AI, telling it your brand name and what you want your website to look like. I'm not going to get into how to choose a niche in this video because I've covered it so many times in lots of my other videos. And really, I want to stick to showing you the monetization and marketing side of things in this tutorial. But this process will work with literally any niche you can think of. If you want to learn how to pick a profitable niche in detail, make sure you join my free community linked below this video, where I share more in-depth tutorials on the nitty-gritty parts of building a successful online business. business. But for this video, the niche I'm picking is indoor gardening because I love indoor tropical plants, which you can kind of see behind me, and it's something that a lot of people are also interested in. But you can pick whichever profitable niche you want. So I'm going to enter this example brand name here, and then enter a few simple sentences that explains what I want my website to look like. You can copy the exact prompt from my video checklist if you want to use the same one I'm using. Just make sure you switch out the niche and the other details to fit your brand. And before you hit submit to create your website, make sure you have this option selected here because we're going to need it in the next step where I show you how to monetize your new AI website. Next, hit submit, and Hosting Your AI Website Builder will start creating your website for you. It only takes a couple of minutes to create your first draft. Then you'll see a preview of what your website will look like. You can choose a different color scheme here if you want, or just leave it as is and click continue. Next, you'll be taken to this page here, but don't worry if you don't see your website yet, because it was actually built in the background. I promise you it's there, and you can see it if you hit this Edit Website button. But before you do that, this page is important because this is your website dashboard where you're going to build your 3 online income streams. But to prove that I'm not full of crap and Hosting Your AI really did build a website for you in just a couple of minutes, click on this button here and I'll show you. Here you can see the website Hosting Your AI Website Builder created for you just by typing a couple of sentences. I'm going to scroll down so you can see what it created for my indoor tropical plant brand that I'm using for this example. And you could see Hosting Your AI actually did a really good job on the first try, including images and headings that match my niche. It even included an online shop and blog like I asked it to include. These elements are really important for when I show you how to monetize your website in the next step, but I'll get to that in just a second. And where you're viewing it is inside Hosting Your's drag and drop website editor, where all of the elements are fully customizable. So if your website doesn't look perfect on the first try, the editor lets you change anything you want, or add anything that's missing just by clicking on the options on the left menu or by clicking the elements themselves in your website. Here you can see I'm making a few small changes. Now, I'm not going to go into detail on how to edit the website because the way my website looks will be completely different from what your website will look like. But it really only takes a few minutes to edit your website, even if you've never done this before. Now, once your website looks the way you want it to look, let's move on to step number 2, where I show you how to monetize your new website with the first online income stream, which is with an affiliate blog that you're going to create completely with AI. Now, if you're not sure what I mean by affiliate blog, here's an example. It's a blog post that has links to products within the text or as buttons. And when you click on the links in the blog post, it takes you to a product that you can buy. And when you buy this product, the person who owns or created the blog gets paid a commission. The reason I'm starting with this one first is because there's 0 upfront cost, because you're not actually creating any of the products yourself. You're just sharing things you already love and getting paid a commission to do it. Affiliate marketing is how I personally made multiple 6 figures with my own personal brand. So I love sharing this idea with other people too. But when I first started, I didn't know about Hosting Your, and AI didn't even exist yet. So I had to do it all manually, which took forever. But now that Hosting Your AI exists, it's so much simpler and faster to set this up. To use Hosting Your AI to create your affiliate blog inside your new website, click on the blog option from the top of your website. Then you'll see Hosting Your already created some blog posts in your website. To add a new blog post, you can either click on the blog option in the left menu and add a new one, or you can click on one of the existing blog posts to edit it. Once you open the blog post, come over to the left menu and click on the AI Tools option. Then click on AI Blog Generator. And that will bring up another prompt box similar to when we created our website. All you have to do to get Hosting Your AI to create your blog post is to select the tone. I like casual. How many words? I suggest the highest number of words. And then give a brief explanation of what you want the blog post to be about. Now, this is where it's really important that you actually know something about the niche you picked, or you've done a lot of research on the topic. Because if you actually want to make money from your affiliate blog, it has to be helpful to the reader. And if you know nothing about the niche, your blog post won't be helpful at all. Or worse, you won't know if the AI makes any mistakes when it's writing your post. So please keep this in mind when you're following this tutorial because it's really important. Here you can see I'm typing a simple sentence of what I want the blog post to be about. And when I hit submit, Hosting Your AI writes the entire blog post for me, again, in just a couple of minutes. Now, just like our website, you can edit the blog post using the editor, which you can see I'm doing right here. And once it looks the way you want it to look, the last thing you need to do is add your affiliate links. But if you're brand new to this and don't have any affiliate links yet, the simplest way to do this is to become an Amazon affiliate, because they have unlimited products that you can choose to promote and can add to your affiliate blog as links. If you want to sign up to become an Amazon affiliate, I added a link to join in my video checklist, but I'm already an affiliate, so you can see when I search for products within my niche and pick one, like this Monstera plant food, for example, you can see the commission amount that I'll make every time somebody purchases this product through my blog. All you have to do is copy the affiliate link for the product that you want to promote, come back to your affiliate blog post, then add a text call to action to the blog post like you see I'm doing right here. Then highlight the text, click on the link option here, and paste in your Amazon affiliate link. Then repeat the process a couple more times with different products like you see I'm doing right here. Then when you preview your blog post and click on the link, you'll see your readers will be taken right to Amazon where they can buy the product. And when they do that, you'll get paid a commission. So that's your first online income stream done on your website. So let's move on to the second income stream, which is digital products. And I love digital products almost as much as I love affiliate products because you only have to create them once and then you can sell them over and over again an unlimited number of times without having to create or ship any physical products to your customers yourself. Now, the most profitable types of digital products, in my opinion, are digital guides and online courses. Online courses are a completely different topic. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell a digital guide right here on your website. Here you can see a digital guide I already created about rooftop gardening. I actually created an entire tutorial showing how I created this guide with AI in my last video. So I'm not going to show you that part here. But if you want to watch that tutorial, you can click on the link on the screen here, or I'll link it below and in the video checklist. But I'm going to use this digital guide as the example product for this tutorial. And to add digital products like this one to your hosting or website, it's actually really simple to do. Just click on the shop option at the top of your website. And this is why I told you it was important that you turned on the online store option when you first created your website, because now is when we need it. Here you can see there's a bunch of placeholder products that Hostinger AI already added. You can actually delete all of these because we don't need them. And we're going to replace them with our own digital products. To do that, click on the store option from the left menu. Then you can see a little checklist here at the top where you want to select add a new product. From here, you want to select digital product as the product type, which will bring you to this screen. And here is where you need to enter the details about your digital product that your customers will see on the product page when they go to buy your guide, like the title, description, and price. But don't worry if you don't know what to write for these things, because Hostinger AI will actually do all of that for you. All you have to do is upload an image of your product. In this case, I'm uploading the image of the front cover of my digital rooftop gardening guide. And when I hit submit, Hostinger AI automatically writes the product title and the description for me. Again, make sure you read it over to make sure it's actually right and change anything that needs to be edited. Then all you need to do is choose the price you want to sell your digital product for. And then the last step is to upload the digital guide PDF to the listing. And when you do that, Hostinger will now automatically email a copy of the digital guide to your customers for you. And this automation allows your business to run 24/7 for you, even when you're not actively working. Once you upload the digital product, click Save right here. And when you come back to your Hostinger website, you'll see your digital guide is ready to start selling. Now, one last thing you need to do before you can sell anything from your Hostinger website is to complete this little checklist that I showed you earlier. It includes adding a payment method so that you can accept payments on your website and actually get paid when you make a sale. And also, don't forget to add in your business details. Once you do that, it's time to get to our last online income stream in our ecosystem, which is another one of my favorites because just like the first two, it's an income stream that is almost completely automated. What I'm talking about this time is print on demand. Print on demand is a way to sell physical products, but without the headache of having to create the product yourself or ship them to any of your customers. You also don't have to buy any inventory upfront because with print on demand, the products are only created once the customer buys them. And the last reason I love Hostinger is because they recently added a print on demand integration with Printful right into their AI website builder. Now, I'm going to go through this one quickly because I created an entire tutorial just on how to set up a print-on-demand store with hosting your AI in one of my last videos. You can find that tutorial linked below or in the video checklist if you want to watch it. Or I'll add it as a link to the end screen so you can just click on it. But to add a print-on-demand income stream to your website, click on the store option on the left menu again. Then add new product. But this time, you're going to select print on demand as the product type. That will prompt you to either create a new Printful account or link your existing account. I already have an account, so mine is already integrated. And because Hostinger has a direct integration with Printful, you can create your print on demand products right through your Hostinger website, and then Printful will ship the product to your customers for you every time you get a sale. Printful has lots of products to pick from, but for this example, I'm picking an embroidered hat, because I've seen that this type of product is popular within my niche. Then all you have to do is add some text to the product template inside of Printful. Or you can upload an image or graphic. Then you can edit the text in any way that you want. Next, you need to add a title for the product, and then add a selling price that you want to sell it for. And here you can see the profit that you'll make from every single sale. Then just click Save, and you'll see Printful will automatically add the print-on-demand product to your Hostinger website for you. And if we go back to our website, you can see our print-on-demand product is now listed in our shop for people to buy. Again, I went through this last one quickly because I have a full tutorial on it already, but I really just wanted to show you how simple it was to add print-on-demand products to your new website. So let me show you what we just built in under an hour. We have a full AI-created website with affiliate links integrated into our blog, digital products that are fully automated, and print-on-demand products that are created and shipped for us. 3 different but completely automated income streams. And these are 3 different ways for people to buy from us, completing our online income ecosystem. But once you reach this part, the last thing you need to do is click this Go Live button to publish your Hostinger website online. If you haven't picked your free domain from Hostinger yet, now is also the time to do that. And once you do that, your new website is now live and people can start buying from it. But hold on a second. You can't just stop here and think you're going to magically make money online through your new website, which brings us to the last step of this tutorial, which is to drive traffic to your website. Because having 3 income streams on your website doesn't matter if nobody is seeing them. And here's where most tutorials get it wrong. They'll tell you that you need to be on Instagram or TikTok posting multiple times every single day, trying to entertain people who are just scrolling and not actually looking to buy anything. But there's a much smarter way to get the attention of people who actually want to buy from you, and it's using Pinterest. That's because Pinterest isn't actually a social media platform at all. It's a visual search engine. People go on Pinterest specifically looking for things to buy. When someone's on Instagram, they're there to scroll and be entertained. But when someone's on Pinterest, they're actually looking to purchase. That's why Pinterest is perfect for our ecosystem marketing strategy. Because you can create pins that link directly to your affiliate blog posts, your digital products, or your print-on-demand products. And when people click on your pins, they're taken right to your website. Instagram and TikTok do not let you do this. And you can also use AI to create your pins for you in just a couple of minutes. I use Ideogram, where you just need to describe what image you want it to create for you. And then it generates pin images with perfect text designs for you in just a couple of seconds. You can create 10 to 20 pins in the time it would take you to design just one manually on platforms like Canva. And the best part about using Pinterest to market your website is that your pins keep working for you months or even years after you post them, unlike Instagram, where your posts die after 1 or 2 days. So that's my full ecosystem strategy. Build your website with Hostinger AI, set up your 3 automated online income streams, create pins with AI to drive traffic from Pinterest, and let your audience show you what they really want to buy. And it's all set up in less than a day. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on Pinterest marketing for your business or brand, let me know in the comments, and make sure you join my free community where I share more in-depth tutorials on my favorite online business ideas, marketing tutorials, and live Q&As with my members. The link to join my community is down below, and hopefully I see you there.